Okay, y'all, my haul. I finally got my fine fragrance mist that I ordered the day after Thanksgiving. That stuff finally made it here. It's not a lot, but I still kind of wanted to bring it, wanted to show y'all. And I also got some stuff from Sephora. And here is the Bath and Body Works box. Like I said, it's not a whole lot at all, but I got the order. Okay. Sephora. I needed some finishing spray, so I got the Urban Decay All Nighter. Love this stuff, but the price is crazy high. $32. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This stuff is really good. When I first bought it, I really didn't like it, but I keep on buying it, so that tells me I do like it. I got Fenty, which is the concealer. Fenty concealer in 420. So yeah, I got this in 420. I love this. Fade cream is for dark spots, so it's gonna help with some of my dark spots. I don't really have a whole lot of them, but this thing was actually expensive for this small tube. This thing, I think I paid like $20 for this little small thing of Fade cream. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I wanted to try it, so I got this. I think it was like under $20. That's kind of expensive for this little small bottle. The bigger one was like $32. I wanted to try that K.I.L.E., that new fragrance that came out, and this is the Vanilla Royale. So I wanted to try this, so I grabbed that. And I also grabbed Killy Angel Share. I wanted to grab that. I wanted to try it, and I actually got it as a sample as well, and I already used the sample, so I had this stuff for a couple of days now, but that's what I'm wearing today. And then my other sample is Tom Ford Oud Wood. Want to give that a try. So yeah, did I have it upside down? No, I didn't. So yeah, those are the things that I got from Sephora. Okay, so now let's get into this Bath and Body Works box. Like I said, fine fragrance. Plus I got 3 candles. I didn't get a lot. I don't know what took this order so long, but it is what it is. The first things I got was free with rewards. And I was super shocked that you could get these items free with rewards. I was surprised. It's this combo that y'all know they had a bundle deal, and they still had it online, so I grabbed it because I figured it was a really good deal for the rewards. This is that Strawberry Snowflake hand soap and the Strawberry Snowflake single wick candle, y'all. Oh my goodness, if you were able to get this bundle with your rewards, you in the game. You in the game, because this was a really good deal to use rewards on, because you get 2 products. Normally I just get a single wick. To get the soap as well, yeah, I was winning. So yeah, I grabbed that. I actually grabbed 2. I grabbed 2 sets. Amazing deal. Hopefully y'all were able to get this, because normally it don't work for this type of stuff. And then I believe, I don't even know what the regular retail price was. I think they had it marked down for like $15. I don't know what was the regular price. I can't even remember. But I did get this free with rewards, and I'm so happy my order went through to get this. I did a backup of the fresh coconut and cotton, because y'all already know I love this scent. I love this scent. This is so good. And because I never owned this scent, this white jasmine, I decided to go ahead and grab it because I don't own it. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Very floral. So if you're not a floral person, you ain't gonna like this. But this is something that's always around. You know, I believe it's online only. The scent notes is white jasmine, apple blossom, white cedar wood. So yes, those are the scent notes, and you know your girl ain't got her glasses on, so I gotta do the whole stretch thing. It is what it is. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. Wrapped in vanilla. And I actually smelled this when I was down in Dallas, but y'all know my SD card messed up, so all of that footage is on that SD card and I can't get it out. I did a walkthrough at one of the stores. Me and my daughters, we had a little time down there. Yeah, so all that footage might be deleted, so y'all will probably never ever see that. We had fun. We had fun. We did some shopping in the store. She did some exchanges. That was the whole, if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen the whole situation with the coupons. So yeah. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and grab Wrapped in Vanilla. I actually really like this scent. Vanilla, velvet sugar, and creme. So yeah, this is really, really good. This is a really good scent to blend with other fragrances if you want more of a vanilla type of scent added with your perfumes or whatever, or if you just like the scent of vanilla, this will be really, really good. Yeah, I love grabbing scents like this, like basics, even though I'm not saying that this is a basic scent, but most of the time vanillas are easy to blend. Yeah, I like this, especially if you want that creamy note. Vanilla scent is always the way to go. Yeah, this is good. I like this. And then I got this blush Cardigan. I got this one because so many people have been talking about it. When I smelled it in the store down in Dallas, it was just a okay for me. It was just okay. It wasn't something that I absolutely had to have, but because of this sale, and I believe I used a coupon on this stuff as well. So because I had a coupon and they were doing a sale, so I said, why not get it? Because this price is a little bit cheaper than semi-annual as well as body care day. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab it. I don't have a receipt, so I can't tell you the price. I think it was like $3 something, I believe. So this is raspberry, violet, and amber. I'm not a huge fan of violet at all. Raspberry is just okay for me, but most of the time I kind of skip on raspberry notes. Yeah, and this is very raspberry forward. It's nice, it's fruity, it's berry-like. So it is nice. It is nice for the people who love those type of scents. So I decided to just go ahead and grab it just because. So that was basically all of the fine fragrances I got. Like I said, I really didn't buy a lot, only bought 4. But they were also doing a candle sale. I can't remember what the candle price was because, again, this box is old. So I took y'all heard. So I took this opportunity to grab some candles that I don't have. This very first one is Vanilla Bean Marshmallow. I remember when they had this out last year. I think that was last year. I wanted to get it, and when I finally made up my mind to grab it, it was sold out. So I did grab one. And it is loose in the jar, which I hate. But it's loose in the jar, as you do see. But that's what it looks like. Most definitely creamy. Typical vanilla scent with that marshmallow. I like the packaging. But this was online only. So I'm not sure if it's going to show back up. I don't know. But I decided to grab one. I kind of wish I would have grabbed 2. But it is what it is. The next 2 candles is the same candles. Hopefully they didn't mess up. They did not. These 2 are the same candles. And they look like they're in here nice and snug. Nothing's wrong with them, hopefully. Okay, and the next one is Merry Mistletoe. Because I do not own this candle, I said, you know what, I gotta have it. I gotta have it because I don't own it. You know, so why not get it? Let me put my glasses on so I can see. Okay, the scent notes is cranberries, pear, peppermint, and balsam. Wow. That's a lot in this candle. I most definitely get that balsam, that greenery type of scent. Yeah, most definitely get that. I don't really get pear, but for me, pear always come off kind of light to me. You know, I do get the cranberries. I do get slightly peppermint, but for me, the top scents is that balsam and that cranberry. So we're gonna see what this one do. Hopefully it do pretty good. If it do and it shows back up like during semi-annual, I might grab more. I don't know, but as of now, I only got 2. So leave in the comments. Let me know, have you tried this Merry Mistletoe? Let me just let me know what it smells like to you. And I already know that vanilla marshmallow is probably going to be like super light. You know, it's really good to blend. So that's one reason why I decided to go ahead and grab it. So this is the second one. And it's okay. Nothing's wrong with it. Specialty lid. So y'all do see. Yeah, I kind of like this. Sweet. Most definitely slightly sweet with that greenery, that balsam note behind it. That peppermint is like way in the background to me. I don't get pear at all. Maybe that pear and that peppermint is just blending so good together where I kind of get hints of it, but not a lot. Yeah, this is going to be nice. I can't wait to try this one. So basically, yeah, that's all I got. And it took this order forever to get here. I got, what, 3 candles, 4 fine fragrance mists, and 2 bundles from Rewards. So yeah, that's about all I got. Leave in the comments, have you got your order or has your orders been delayed like mine was? Leave that down in the comments. Also, if you got any of these items that I just purchased, leave that down in the comments. Let me know, what do you think about it? What do you think about this new fine fragrance mist that just came out? Even though it's not the newest fine fragrance collection that came out, but it's still pretty new. So yeah, leave in the comments, what do you think about these? Out of the 2, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the blushing cardigan or the vanilla? So yeah, leave in the comments, which one of these do you prefer? Do you prefer the blushing cardigan or do you prefer wrapped in vanilla? I'm sure everybody has smelled this one because this one has been around for many years. This white jasmine, this is old school. This has been around for many years. And as far as this one, I know a lot of people love this fresh coconut and cotton scent. You know, the candle just came out. Everybody's running for that candle because we all love the scent. Good job, Bath and Body Works, on this scent because this is so good. Also, did you grab this bundle? Leave that down in the comments. I know a lot of people grabbed it when they first did their promotion, but were you able to grab this with Rewards? Leave that down in the comments because I'm happy. This was a good deal to grab with Rewards. I'm just saying, this was a come up. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms, use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. I know I always say that, but follow the hashtag on Instagram. I know I always say that, and y'all like, okay, but where do you use this hashtag? It's a hashtag on Instagram. KimbleLitWicks, KimbleLitWick, KimbleLitMix, KimbleLitFood, KimbleLitFoods, Kimble's playlist. I'm just saying. So yeah, go on over there, follow some of my hashtags. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. I truly appreciate it. Thank you for always watching everything I put out, no matter what it is. Vlogs, reviews, hauls. I was gonna say sip and chat, but live streams, anything I put on. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always supporting me. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.